In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to zoom on Windows 10 using the magnifier app. The easiest way to bring this up is by pressing the Windows key and the plus or minus key. As you can see, it won't do anything when we press Windows key and the minus key, but once we press the Windows key and plus key, it'll immediately bring up this app, and once we press it again, it will zoom onto where our cursor is. This can be incredibly useful if you're struggling with reading things on your screen. Let's say this Kazzicom text here. I can zoom in and get a clearer view of the image. It won't enhance, but it will zoom so you can see more things on your screen in a smaller space. This is really useful for small text documents. And then if you press the Windows key and the minus key, you'll zoom out. You can also control it from this app here. Obviously the minus key would zoom you out if you could. The plus key would zoom you in. The play key
/pause
will enable talkback. So with talkback on,
/pause
it will tell you what's on your screen. And with this, it'll read from where our mouse is.
Audacity.
So you can hear there, it read the application name, Audacity. And here are our settings where we can change the speed and also the text-to-speech voice. As you can see, there's loads of options there, and you can choose which one you prefer. Thanks for watching. Visit kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365, and many more services.